Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Paczki. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon Paczki, let's begin by drawing a little filling at the top. So I'm going to start right here, and I'll begin by making a little line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come to a point and back down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that'll curve around and we'll meet right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that'll come out and it'll curve down and in. Same thing here, we're going to come out and we'll curve down and in. Next, I'll make a little bit of like a wavy line across to connect it. Then I'll make a little line down on each side. And then another little wavy line to connect. Starting here at the bottom, we'll come out. We'll go down and curve around and then bring it up here. Next, I'm going to make a little wavy line inside of here. Now, I want to add like a fun little face on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. And then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'll make a circle at the top of each one. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Then I want to make a mouth. I'm going to begin by making a line that comes across. Then I'll make a line that curves down. I'll make a little curve here for the tongue, and then a little rectangle shape here. And a little line right there. And then we'll color this part in. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Paczki. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.